In this video, I am going to show you how to change Cpanel username and password. So let's see how we can do it. To change our Cpanel username and password, at first we need to log into our Cpanel account. In the address bar, put your domain name /cpanel next to it and hit enter. Now here you need to enter your Cpanel username and password and then click on login. And this will take us to the dashboard of our Cpanel account. Now to change our Cpanel password, from the top we are going to click on this account icon, and after that we are going to select password and security. Now at first we are going to enter our Cpanel old password here. And after that we need to enter our new password, and then we are going to enter our new password again. And after that we are going to click on change your password now, and in this way our Cpanel password will be changed. So this is how you can change Cpanel password, but unfortunately there is no manual way to change our Cpanel username, but for this we will have to contact our web hosting provider. In my case I am using Namecheap. So to change my Cpanel username, I will go to namecheap.com, and then from the top I am going to click on help center. Now from here I am going to scroll down. Now from here you can submit the ticket for the username change, or you can have a live chat with the hosting provider and ask them to change your username. So this is how you can change your Cpanel username and password. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.